problem from BC to A. So the nature of a facility is hardware. Let's go.
If we conducting a security inspection, first and foremost, we need to plan an inspection by determining the scope, type, and method. When your safety community member conduct inspection, it's important they
Listen to the concerns of workers and supervisors. Learn more about jobs and tasks. Identify existing and potential hazard. Determine the underlying causes of those hazards. And monitor hazards controls that are already in place. As an inspector, these are the things that they usually do. Watch this.
A good practice is to begin by walking through aisles, looking for out-of-place items and trip hazards. Make sure exits aren't blocked and clear signage is in place. In this case, the exit sign isn't turning on when tested. The members of the group will then document this as part of their inspection. Investigating electrical hazards are always a priority in a safety inspection like this, and this includes ensuring that outlets are working properly. It looks like this one has reversed polarity, which creates a possible shock hazard. It's something that can't be repaired immediately, so the documentation will note that it must be followed up on. Another important point is to inspect fire extinguishers. Confirm the extinguisher is visible, unobstructed, and in its assigned location. It's on the floor, so it must be placed in the correct location. This is an example of a hazard that can be fixed immediately. Verify the locking pin is intact and the tamper seal is unbroken. Confirm the pressure gauge or indicator is in the operable range or position and lift the extinguisher to ensure it's still full. Examine the extinguisher for obvious physical damage, corrosion, leakage, or a clogged nozzle. Make sure the operating instructions on the nameplate are readable and facing outward. Check the last professional service date on the tag to make sure the manufacturer recommendations are being followed for routine inspections. Machinery is part of your workplace. It should be included in your safety inspection. You'll want to make sure that all the proper machine guarding is in place and that it's in good condition. You'll want to talk with the operator to find out if lockout procedures are being followed when the guards are temporarily removed to conduct maintenance. Make sure proper signage is being used to communicate hazards to employees. In this case, it's about communicating electrical hazards. You may want to consult the manufacturer's manual to make sure the machine is being used correctly and maintained by the employees. Another important aspect is verifying that employees working with the machine are properly trained.